A couple of people have asked about how free the engine is, how much resistance it has to turning. Now, I ran it with an electric motor out on my bench for about half an hour, and the result is this. It's very, very smooth. There's no binding anywhere. And of course, both shafts, the crankshaft and the cam, are riding on ball bearings. So the only area that I really was concerned with freeing up was where the con rod attaches to the crank and where the wrist pin connects the piston to the con rod. But it all operates very freely now. So I'll move on to my next phase, which is probably going to be making the rocker arms. Thank you for having a look.